Then his alarm light in there is blue. He ain't playing. Folks' business. It's all about unity. Yes, sir. Always. Nice. Real nice.
Inside good. Look at the inside of it.
I love it.
I had to show y'all the view again, y'all. Yeah, bye. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Oh, look at this one, y'all. This one's so pretty. It's so pretty. Look, ooh. Fine, how you doing? Is this yours?
Oh, no. Ours is the blue one right there.
He got the blue one. Y'all see there in the inside of there.
Look at the 2 pipes. So you got the 2 pipes on it.
Facts. Motherfucker nice. Oh, they got a Frenchie. Oh, it's a food. Oh. Hear me? Oh. Right. I'll just do this there.
Slow down. Come on, this way. We got to try to get you. Look, there you go.
Ah, look at her.
Sound good. Oh, get out the way. They coming through.
But you see this? It's pretty.
That gray with the red. Good. I love it, bro. I love it.
It's gonna be on our YouTube channel. Go follow us.
Yeah, y'all gotta go to my YouTube channel. I'm doing a giveaway.
Right over there.
It's Shake Nation 83. We're doing a giveaway.
This is the owner right here, y'all. That's the owner of this.
All you gotta do is go on there.
This beauty. Right here. Red guts.
Thank you. One of y'all win. Good luck. Man, they making these people look so good.
Fact.
Damn, they making them look thing they doing to them to make them look so good. That's history. That's history, bro.
Babe, this right here real pretty.
History, bro. This is real history right here. This is way before nigga time. This is way before my time. You ain't your time. Tell them to be 40, but it's still before my time.
Ooh, that's a lot. It's old. All that old frame be the ones that hold it. That hold it.
That one's back.
Are you playing that old school in there? Is this yours? This yours? It's gonna be on our YouTube channel. Go on our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is our owner, y'all. It's called Shake Nation 83. S-H-A-K-E Nation.
Shake Nathan?
No, Nation. N-A-T-I-O-N. Nation.
Nathan.
No, Nation.
Nation. Okay,
Nation 83.
Shake Nation 83.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
If you want to go to, I don't care. Bro, I ain't got mine. Ain't that loud.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Loud, but I ain't got the two-step.
Real pretty.
I mean, I've been trying to wait on my
Oh, wow.
You guys just do different events or just VW?
Everywhere. We go everywhere and shoot. Everybody cars and stuff be on there. We're doing a giveaway on Valentine's Day of Sundown Audio equipment. We're giving away. It's like a $10,000 equipment. We're giving it away. All you have to do is go on there and subscribe, like, and comment on the giveaway video and put your information on there, and then you may get a chance to win it.
Okay.
Right. Check out some more what they got out here.
Yeah.
All right, boss, man.
All right, yeah. Do your thing.
Mopar. Oh, it's some more wagons. This is pretty too.
Those real clean. That's clean as hell. I like that exhaust. Oh yeah, that's from the 80s.
I got it, baby. I'm videoing you. It ain't gonna do it because of my phone almost dead. Oh, okay. Oh, you didn't charge it up. Okay, so we don't get it on. I got the camera. The camera full of battery. Oh, babe, look at that one at the back. This one gorgeous.
59. Clean. All the way clean. All the way clean. 69. Yes, sir. All the way clean. He even got the danger sign on it. He ain't playing.
This yours? You're gonna be on YouTube. Go follow our channel.
Yeah, go subscribe to the channel. Yeah, they're gonna miss out on a whole lot. I know they like audio. I can see what they all doing with all these little ones right here.
What was one of those cars?
I'm modern. I gotta sell tacos, man. Shit, he's got all the cool stuff.
And majority of them gonna know me anyway. Everybody in the audio world know me.
I don't know. They gotta be coming with that one little audio shop we go to. They gotta come with it.
No, it's a show.
Our shows. Yeah, y'all. Real nice. They have an IG and a Facebook, but they don't have their name on it. Y'all car, is this your car?
This is mine.
It's gonna be on our YouTube channel.
Oh, what's the YouTube channel?
It's called Shake Nation 83.
Shake Nation 83. I'll check it out right now. I think I already seen it.
We're doing a giveaway on Valentine's Day of Sundown Audio equipment. It's a $10,000 equipment. We're gonna give it away on Valentine's, so you'll be a chance to win once you go on there and subscribe, like, and comment.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we're doing a giveaway, bro. I mean, the giveaway gonna be on Valentine's Day, February 14th at 7
Huh?
p.m.
Oh, I did. I videoed it too. No, I got everybody's. I got everybody's.
Bro, this
It's
right
nice.
here,
Very
you
nice.
can't take none away from
Go
a
on there and
Beetle.
subscribe onto our YouTube channel.
You can't take none away from a Beetle, bro. Ain't nothing you can take away from a Beetle. Even from the beginning, all the way from scratch. That's the best way we like to get it. We like to get it from the beginning. And then see you later on in the future and put you on there again and let everybody see what you did. You know what I'm saying? I like all that. The woodwork, all that shit.
All right, yeah.
Hey,
That's definitely
that thing got them bread. That thing bloody.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. Clean.
People be wanting them. Shut up. This pretty.
What they call it down here.
Right.
Like aqua and white. A teal, like teal and white. I
Yeah.
think that's what that is, teal. Tell me, bro. On the Charger? Yeah, that's nasty. That's nasty. I'm telling you, there's some cars out here, bro. There's some nice ass cars out here. They got some nice cars out here. Get this one on there too. You know, I love it. I love it. I love all of it. I love all of it. I can sit right there and film them all day long. I got a super over here. Where you going, bro? Hey, now, go look at the house.
The guts in there are so pretty.
That's the one from last night. That's the one from last night. Get them again, bro. No car gonna actually be on the intro video. I bet this gonna be the best shot you ever seen in your car.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. It's Shake Nation 83.
YouTube.
Man, it's the one, you know, the video I shot, like
Yeah.
the movie thing. This the one, this the car that's on the front of it. As he was driving through and he come over a little hump, bounce a little bit.
Yeah.
Bro, I got a crazy ass shot of your car. I'm telling you, I got a crazy.
That's the owner right there.
Shake Nation, S-H-A-K-E. Nation 83. Got him again, y'all. That's that bad motherfucker again. Red Bull.
Tell them about the giveaway.
Nasty. Yeah, we're doing a giveaway too. So you see the video that say giveaway on there? Come in whatever name you got on social media, on your social media platform. Come in your name on there, like, subscribe to the channel. And on Valentine's Day, you got an opportunity. Man, he gave you some noise, man. He gave you some noise.
Sure did.
He gave you some noise, goddamn. I love it. I was about to give you I was tied up between this and the CA. And I end up, I supposed to have been buying one of these for me. Instead of doing that, I bought her the Bentley.
Hey, happy wife, happy life.
Yeah, that's why I said, fuck it, I don't even care no more.
Mm.
All right, bro. I'm gonna be seeing you around. I see your ass every time now. Man, that motherfucker clean. Y'all gotta excuse my profanity, but you gonna get better on that. I'm working on that too. Stop out of it. Tennessee to Atlanta, Georgia, from Atlanta, Georgia, Daytona Beach, Florida, Miami Beach, Florida, all the way to Cali. We here now.